What are you doing? What are you doing? What do you want, Liv? What is that? Is that grapes, Livy?
Yes.
Thank you. Can you put the lid on? Can you put the lid on?
Okay.
Lid on. Other way. Other way. Like this.
Beer.
What is that?
Beer.
What is that?
Beer.
What kind of bear? Does it have honey in it? Honey?
Honey.
Can you put that back? No. That'd make a mess. Let's put that back up here.
Bye-bye. That. Well,
No, here, let me see. Let me see.
then.
Livy, you want some cheese? Livy, you want some cheese? What's that for? Here, you want some cheese on it? Open. Liv. Hey. Oops. Open. Want some cheese? Okay. Do you want some cheese? Open.
Mine.
Open.
Mine.
Open.
Mine.
Say thank you, Mommy.
Mine.
Can you say thank you, Mommy?
Yes. Mommy.
You ready to get down? Do you want to say hi to Nana and Papa?
Papa.
Say hi, Nana. Hi, Papa. Hi, Papa. Livy, can you say hi, Papa? Okay, say love you. Kisses. Say bye, Papa.
Bye, Papa.
Bye, Nana.
Bye, Nana.
Say see you soon.
Done.
Say love you.
Yay.